A full-blown political war after the Supreme Court appointed panel submitting its report questioning Delhi's oxygen demand during the second wave. Delhi BJP is set to stage a protest against Kejriwal government at Delhi's Jantar Mantar today. The Saffron Party is demanding an apology from Kejriwal government over the alleged oxygen mismanagement during the second wave of the pandemic. The BJP has accused the Aam Aadmi Party government of criminal negligence after the Supreme Court panel's report stated the Delhi government exaggerated consumption of life-saving gas. Aam Aadmi Party, however, alleged that the report has been cooked up at the BJP office. As the political fight escalated over this particular report, AIIMS director and head of SC panel Randeep Guleria stated that the report is an interim one and that oxygen demand changes from time to time.
ये इंटरिम रिपोर्ट है, अभी फाइनल रिपोर्ट होनी है। इंटरिम रिपोर्ट की पूरी रिपोर्ट सबके सामने है, पब्लिक डोमेन में है अब। और इस रिपोर्ट के अनुसार अरविंद केजरीवाल सरकार ने पैनिक फैलाया है, दिल्ली की मीडिया का दुष्प्रयोग किया है और इतनी जो मौतें हुई हैं उनमें इनके इस एक्ट का बहुत बड़ा असर पड़ा है। इसलिए ऐसी सरकार को, ऐसे लोगों को, इनको इस देश में संविधान के अनुसार पनिशमेंट होनी चाहिए।
After a massive face-off over an interim audit report that said that the Delhi government exaggerated the consumption of liquid medical oxygen during the second wave, AIIMS director Randeep Guleria now says oxygen demand is dynamic and it is not correct to say consumption was more or less. Listen in.
Row over Delhi's oxygen report continues. After an interim report of Supreme Court appointed panel on Delhi oxygen supply sparked a massive controversy. AIIMS director Randeep Guleria and head of the 5-member SC panel has given a fresh twist to the row. The interim report said that the Kejriwal government exaggerated the consumption of oxygen and made a claim of 1,140 metric ton, 4 times higher than the formula for bed capacity requirement of 289 metric ton.
Dr. Randeep Guleria has now come out with a statement to say that it is incorrect to say that the Delhi government had exaggerated its oxygen demand by 4 times. In fact, Dr. Guleria has said that the oxygen situation in the city is dynamic and is being looked into as the matter is currently sub judice. In addition, he has also said that what has come out in public domain is only an interim report which could differ greatly from what the final report submitted before the apex court could be.
Important to look at the report because it's a dynamic process.
Right.
The degree of exacerbation which is being reported may be there on certain days, it may not be there on certain days. It may be even, so it depends on how you look at it in totality. And like I said, the oxygen requirement will vary from day to day. And as we are seeing now, it has become much less.
The interim report fueled a controversy, sparking a war of words between BJP and Aam Aadmi Party. After the report came to light, BJP accused Kejriwal of heinous crime and criminal negligence.
दिल्ली सरकार ने सुप्रीम कोर्ट में कहा था कि जितनी ऑक्सीजन की रिक्वायरमेंट दिल्ली सरकार की है, केंद्र सरकार उतनी ऑक्सीजन उसे मुहैया नहीं करा रही। ऑक्सीजन की रिक्वायरमेंट दिखाई गई थी दिल्ली सरकार द्वारा, अरविंद केजरीवाल जी द्वारा, वो 4 गुना बढ़ा करके दिखाई गई थी। 4 टाइम्स इन्फ्लेटेड ऑक्सीजन रिक्वायरमेंट बाय दिल्ली। अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के इस झूठ के कारण 12 ऐसे राज्य थे पूरे हिंदुस्तान में जो अफेक्टेड हुए अपने ऑक्सीजन सप्लाई को लेकर। ये जघन्य अपराध अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने किया है।
In reply to the allegation, Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal took to Twitter to say that his only crime was that he fought for the breath of 2 crore people. Taking a dig at BJP, Kejriwal further said that they were doing election rallies while he was awake all night arranging oxygen. The political fight still cannot deny the fact that people were gasping for breath in the national capital. What remains to be seen is whether it was mismanagement or shortage in oxygen supply. With Anisha Mathur in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.